Imagine walking through a scorching desert and suddenly seeing a shimmering lake in the distance, only to find nothing but sand when you reach that spot. This fascinating phenomenon is called a mirage, one of nature's most captivating optical illusions that has puzzled and amazed humans for centuries. A mirage occurs when light rays bend or refract as they pass through layers of air with different temperatures and densities. The word itself comes from the French mirage, derived from the Latin mirari, meaning to look at or to wonder at, which perfectly captures our amazement when witnessing these mysterious apparitions. The key to understanding mirages lies in recognizing that light doesn't always travel in straight lines through our atmosphere. The science behind mirages centers on a fundamental principle: light travels at different speeds through air of varying densities. When sunlight heats the ground intensely, it creates layers of air with dramatically different temperatures. The hot air near the surface becomes less dense than the cooler air above it. As light rays pass from the denser cool air into the less dense hot air, they bend upward, creating the displaced or distorted images we perceive as mirages. There are 3 distinct types of mirages, each with unique characteristics. The most common is the inferior mirage, where the illusion appears below the actual object. Picture driving on a hot asphalt road and seeing what looks like water ahead. This happens because hot air near the pavement bends light rays from the sky upward, creating the appearance of the sky reflected on a wet surface. Desert travelers often experience this when they see what appears to be an oasis that doesn't actually exist. Superior mirages present the opposite scenario, with images appearing above their real locations. These occur during temperature inversions, when cooler air sits below warmer air above the line of sight. This phenomenon is frequently observed in polar regions, where cold air masses create the perfect conditions. Ships or icebergs might appear to float in the sky, seemingly defying gravity. The most spectacular type is the Fata Morgana, a complex superior mirage that creates rapidly changing, vertically stacked images. Named after the Arthurian sorceress Morgan Le Fay, this phenomenon can make distant coastlines appear as elaborate castles or entire cities floating in the sky. The images constantly shift and transform, creating an almost magical display that has inspired countless legends throughout history.